Hi students, welcome to Prabhacharan Academic Channel. In this video, we will see about respiratory system. Let's start. Number 1. Air directly enters the trachea through the larynx. 2. Covering of lung is called pleural membrane. The open into the windpipe or trachea is called glottis. The mountain sickness in person climbing to high altitudes without the aid of oxygen cylinders is due to answer C. Atrial hypoxia. Next. The iron containing hemoglobin pigment is a answer A protein. 6. Major part of CO2 is transported to respiratory surface is answer A HCO3 shift. Next. 7. Silicated epithelium in the trachea of mammals helps in answer C pushing mucus out. Next. 8. Emphysema is a respiratory disease in which answer D the gas exchange area of lungs is decreased. Next. 9. The oxygen pressure in the alveolar air is answer C double of that in human capillaries. 10. In all vertebrates the oxygen transport is through answer B hemoglobin. Next. 11. The regulatory center for respiration situated in the answer C medulla oblongata. Next. 12. Color of oxyhemoglobin is answer C bright red color. Next. 13. The rate of respiration is lowest at answer A sleeping. Next. 14. The functional unit of the lung is answer B alveolus. 15. All are lung disease except answer B pericarditis. Next. 16. The maximum volume of inspirable air is called answer C inspiratory capacity. 17. Anoxia means answer C both A and B and A absence of oxygen. Next. Diminished amount of oxygen delivered to the tissue. Next. 18. The term used to denote the difference in volume between the total lung capacity and the vital capacity is answer C residual volume. Next. 19. If the CO2 content of blood increase the breathing shall answer A increase. Next. 20. The vibration of which of this membrane produce vocal sound? B answer vocal cords. 21. Internal respiration refers to answer B cellular respiration. Next. 22. The carbon dioxide pressure in the lung capillaries is answer B more than that in alveolar air. Next. 23. The oxygen content of expired air in man is answer C 16%. Next. 24. A normal man respires in a minute answer C 14 to 18 minutes. Next. 25. The membrane covering the lungs is answer B pleura. Next. 26. Pulmonary artery means answer C delivers blood to lungs low in oxygen. Next. 27. The average tissue fluid pressure of oxygen is answer D 40 mm of Hg. 28. The respiratory tubes devoid of cartilaginous ring are answer C bronchioles. Next. 29. The condition in which the body suffers from acute oxygen shortage is called answer D hypoxia. Next. 30. Carbonic anhydrase is mostly active in answer A RBCs. Next. 31. In response to high altitude hypoxia, supply of oxygen to the tissue is maintained by answer A all of this. Increased alveolar ventilation and increased cardiac output. B. Shift in the hemoglobin deslocation curve to the right. C. Increased erythrocytes and hemoglobin content of blood. Next. 32. The respiratory disease immediately related to cigarette smoking is answer D emphysema. Next. 33. The greatest volume of air that can expire after a maximum inspiration affect is it answer C vital capacity. 34. Oxygen is transported to every cell of the body through answer A RBC. Next. 35. The metal associated with hemoglobin is answer C iron. Next. 36. In which of the following persons the alveolar ventilation per minute is greatest? Answer D 1000 ml volume per minute 6 ventilation 6000 ml per minute. Next. 37. To take air into the lungs the diaphragm must be flattened. 38. In frog the alveoli are surrounded by answer B columnar and ciliated cells to increase the surface area of lungs. 39. Dead space is answer A upper respiratory tract. Next. 40. The substance undergoing slow oxidation in the body during respiration are known as answer B metabolites. Next. 41. One molecule of hemoglobin carries answer D 4 molecule of O2. Next. 42. Which of the following can respire in total absence of air? Answer D tapeworm. 43. During inspiration in mammals the diaphragm shall answer A contract. 44. In rabbits respiration takes place in all living cells of the body. Next. 45. Among the following, the maximum amount of usable energy is released per molecule of glucose by answer C, an amoeba in aerobic respiration. Next, 46. The respiratory portion of the respiratory tract consists of answer C, respiratory bronchioles, alveolar ducts, alveolar sacs, and alveoli. Next, 49. In a man at rest, the body cell consumed approximately answer D, 200 ml of oxygen per minute. Next, 48. Diaphragm is characteristic of D, all the mammals. Egg laying mammals only, marsupial mammals only, eutherian mammals only. Next, 49. Oxygen will diffuse through a membrane only if it is moist. 50. The impulse reaching voluntary muscles for forced breathing originated from answer A, medulla oblongata. Thank you. 51. Expression after full inspiration is called vital capacity. 52. The end product of anaerobic respiration is answer B, lactic acid. 53. The function of tracheal hair is to answer A, pass mucus out. 54. The dissociation curve of HB is answer B, sigmoid. 55. The RQ is ratio of oxygen to taken into carbon dioxide liberated. Next, 56. The cellular respiration differs from breathing in that in cellular respiration. Answer D. Oxygen is released into the cells from oxyhemoglobin. Next, 57. In which form CO2 is carried in the blood? Answer B. Sodium bicarbonate. Next, 58. The combination of oxygen with hemoglobin in lung can be promoted by answer A. Decreasing oxygen concentration in the blood. Next, 59. Mammalian lungs have enormous number of minute alveoli or air sacs to allow answer A. More surface area for diffusion of gases. Next, 60. Hamburger's phenomena is also known as chloride shift. Answer C. Next, 61. In mammals, the ventilation movements of lungs are governed by answer D. Hyoid, costal muscles, and costa. Next, 62. In an asthmatic patient, the size of the lung gradually answer A increases. Next, 63. In expression, answer C. Ribs are lowered, diaphragm becomes dome shaped, thoracic shape is narrowed. Next, 64. Which of the following has no blood but respires? Answer B. Hydra. Next, 65. Dissociation curve is associated with answer B. Oxyhemoglobin. Next, 66. Whales respire through answer A. Lungs. Next, 67. The product of tidal volume and number of breaths per minute is called minute respiratory volume, which is approximately 6 liters at rest. During strenuous exercise, it may rises to answer D. 150 liters. Next, 68. Symptoms of altitude sickness become so severe that a person cannot survive without supplementary oxygen at answer C. 6,000 meters above sea level. Next, 69. Asphyxia may be caused by answer D. All of this. Drowning, pneumonia, carbon dioxide poisoning. Next, 70. Adam's apple in man is answer B. Thyroid cartilage of larynx. Next, 71. The process of respiration is concerned with answer D. Liberation of energy. Next, 72. Respiratory mechanism is controlled by answer A. Central nervous system. Next, 73. Which of the following prevents collapsing of trachea? Answer D. Cartilaginous ring. 74. No special respiratory organs are found in answer B. Earthworm. Next, 75. Which of the following gases makes the most stable combination with the hemoglobin of red blood cells? Answer B. Carbon monoxide. Next, 76. During inspiration, the ribs are raised and diaphragm stretched. Next, 77. Bohr effect is answer B. The effect of carbon dioxide on the release of oxygen from hemoglobin. Next, 78. Bronchoconstriction occurs answer C. Both A and B in allergic attacks. Next, due to histamine secretion. Next, 79. External respiration is the diffusion of gases between Answer C. Alveoli of lungs and blood capillaries. Next, 80. Percentage of oxygen present in inhaled air in man is about. Answer A. 21%. Next, 81. Pleurisy is. Answer D. Inflammation of pleura with the secretion of fluid which accumulates in the cavity between the lungs and chest wall. Next, 82. Muscular fatigue is due to D. Accumulation of lactic acid in muscles. Next, 83. The amount of air normally inspired and expired is called. Answer C. Tidal volume. Next, 84. An increase in carbon dioxide concentration shift the oxygen dissociation curve to the right because. Answer C. A higher carbon dioxide concentration causes more oxygen to be given up from HbO2 at any given oxygen partial pressure. Next, the subatmospheric pressure of intrapleural fluid is maintained. Answer A. Always, even in the absence of breathing. Next, 86. A substance of great need for transport of CO2 is. Answer D. Carbonic anhydrase. Next, 87. During normal expiration at rest in man. Answer C. Both A and B. The external intercostal muscle relax. The internal intercostal muscles relax. Next, 88. If the thoracic wall is punctured. Answer B. Man dies as the lungs are collapsed. Next, 89. If the RQ is more than 1, the respirable matter is. Answer D. Organic acids. Next, 90. Exchange of gases occurs in. Answer C. Alveoli. Next, 91. The relative proportion between the volume of carbon dioxide released and oxygen absorbed in respiration is termed as. Answer B. Respiratory quotient. Next, 92. During hibernation, the frog respires by. Answer A. Skin only. 93. At 20 degrees Celsius, the most favorable condition for a frog to respire through. Answer B. Cutaneous respiration. Next, 94. In man, the structure with functions similar to spiracles of cockroaches are. Answer B. Nostrils. Next, 95. RQ is not less than 1 in. Answer A. Carbohydrates. Next, 96. The PO2 in the inspired and expired air in man at sea level is. Answer C. 152 mmHg and 120 mmHg respectively. Next, 97. A metabolically active tissue extracts more oxygen from oxyhemoglobin. This is known as Bohr effects. Next, 98. The inadequate supply of oxygen to tissue is called. Answer A. Hypoxia. Next, 99. 100 ml of blood of man can carry about. Answer C. 20 ml of oxygen and 55 ml of carbon dioxide. At last, 100. The pleura helps in breathing because. Answer A. They have a lubricating effect. Next, 101. In frog, the CO2 released in tissue respiration is transported by blood as. Answer B. Sodium bicarbonate in plasma. Next, 102. A mammal consumes nearly the same volume of oxygen as the volume of carbon dioxide proceeds. This will be true if the energy source is. Answer A. Carbohydrate. Next, 103. Inhalation of air containing carbon monoxide causes suffocation in man because. Answer. Hemoglobin combines with carbon monoxide instead of oxygen and the product cannot dissociate. Next, 104. Residual volume in the lungs of mammals is. Answer C. The air that is left in the lungs even after deepest possible expiration. Next, 105. The left lung of rabbit is composed of 2 lobes. Next, 106. In an organism, utilization carbohydrate as source of energy anaerobically, the RQ is likely to be. Answer C. 1.0. Next, 107. The number of lobes in the right lung. The number of lobes in the right lung of rabbit is. Answer 4. Next, the diffusion of oxygen in the alveolar surface depends upon. Answer A. Oxygen concentration gradient on other side of alveoli. Next, 109. Larynx consists of answer A. Cartilaginous framework around glottis. Next, 1 not 10. During inspiration, answer B. The rib muscles and diaphragm contract. Next, 111. The extent to which oxygen will combine with HB depends on a single most important factor. Answer A. PO2. Next, 112. Forced deep breathing for a few minutes by a person sitting at rest may be followed by a temporary cessation of breathing. This is due to answer C. Very little carbon dioxide in blood. Next, 113. The process in which chloride ion passes into RDP and bicarbonate ions passes out is called answer A. Chloride shift. Next, 114. BCG vaccine is used to curb answer D. Tuberculosis. BCG vaccine is used to cure, not curb. Answer D. Tuberculosis. Next, 115. Ratio of oxyhemoglobin and hemoglobin in the blood is based upon answer A. Oxygen tension. Next, 116. In anaerobic respiration, answer A. Oxygen is taken in. Next, 117. The tracheal cartilaginous ring in mammals are answer C. Incomplete dorsally. Next, 118. In a healthy man, the normal total volume of air during inspiration is about answer B. 500 by 700 ml. 119. The sum of inspiratory and expiratory capacity is known as answer B. Vital capacity. Next, 120. The efficiency of ventilation of lungs in mammals is better when compared to reptiles and birds, as mammals have answer C. Diaphragm. Next, 121. During inspiration, the pressure of air is highest in the answer D. Gap between lungs and rest of chest. Next, 122. In anaerobic respiration, for one glucose molecule, ATP are formed. Answer D. 4 ATP. Next, 123. Asthma is a respiratory disease caused due to answer D. Spasm in bronchial muscles. 124. The respiratory organs of spiders and arachnids are answer D. Book lungs. Next, 125. In mammals, most of the CO2 is transported as bicarbonates of sodium and potassium in the blood. It is between answer C. 80 to 85%. Next, 126. In the process of respiration, the energy used is answer C. Chemical energy. Next, 127. Breathing is lacking in answer A. Earthworm. Next, 128. Rate and depth of respiration shall increase when answer B. Carbon dioxide concentration increase. Next, 129. The magnitude of pH difference between atrial and venous blood is to the tune of 0.01 to 0.5. Next, 130. In a normal person, 1 liter of atrial blood contains approximately answer C. 3 ml of O2 physically dissolved and 197 ml O2 bonded to HB. Next, 131. The major effect of hyperventilation as sensed by the respiratory center in medulla is answer D. Decrease the CO2 in the blood. Next, 132. Adult frog breathes through answer B. Skin and lungs and buccal cavity. Next, 133. The protective role for the air passes is not played by answer A. Cartilage ring. Next, 134. Exposure to carbon monoxide can kill a patient because answer B. CO, BH deprives blood of its ability to transport O2. Next, 135. According to a normal oxygen dissociation curve, hemoglobin is nearly 90% saturated at answer C. PO2 60 mmHg. Next, 136. Which of the following increase the rate of RBC production? Answer D. Low O2 content of inspired air. Next, 137. The decrease in temperature of a chamber by 7 degrees Celsius, which was early 30 degrees Celsius, the amount of heat given off by a rat in this chamber will answer B. Decrease. 138. The tidal volume in man is answer B. 500 ml. Next, 139. The respiratory surface is answer D. An evolutionary adaptation to the habit. Next, 140. The wall of trachea consists of answer C. Inner epithelium, outer connective tissue and middle layer of cartilage, rings embedded in smooth muscles. Thank you. Let's see in next video.